The beauty industry loves to sell us a dream of effortless perfection tucked inside a sleek plastic shell. We see the flashy ads, we see the glowing skin. Then we find ourselves holding a gadget like the She Vitality Massager and wondering if we just bought a very expensive paperweight. Right out of the box, it has a certain charm. It is light in the hand. That is a double-edged sword. Your arm will not get tired during a long session, but it lacks that heavy, satisfying weight of a high-end medical tool. It feels like a consumer gadget. That is because it is one. When you click it on, the vibration is steady. It is noticeable. It is decent. But do not go into this expecting a deep tissue massage that reaches your soul. It is a surface level experience. If you think this will erase years of skin texture in 48 hours, you are headed for a letdown. That is the hard truth. Devices like this function on the principle of circulation. They get the blood moving. They wake the skin up. Over time, that can lead to a smoother look. It is a subtle change. It is a gradual one. If you are the type who wants a miracle by Friday, put this back in the drawer. Consistency is the only way this pays off. You have to show up for your skin every single day. If you get lazy, the device fails. It is not the machine's fault. It is the broken routine. There is a specific way to handle this to avoid a mess of irritation. You need a buffer. Grab some lotion or a light oil first. Never ever use it on dry skin. Dry dragging feels rough. It causes redness that looks worse than the texture you are trying to fix. Start on a low setting. Find your rhythm. Move it in slow, steady circles. Upward motions are your best friend here. Focus on the thighs or the arms for about 5 to 10 minutes each. Do not press down with all your might. Extra pressure does not mean extra results. It just means sore skin and frustration. The noise is another factor to weigh. It is not a jet engine, but it is certainly not silent. If you want to use it while watching a quiet movie, the buzzing might get annoying. Then there is the battery life. It holds a decent charge for a few sessions. But if you forget the cord, it will die right when you are halfway through your left leg. That is a total motivation killer. You also have to deal with the sheer repetition. Doing the same circular motion over and over gets boring fast. It becomes a chore. You have to decide if the convenience of an electric motor is worth the price tag. For some, the automation makes the habit stick. For others, it is just another thing to charge and clean. Keep your expectations grounded. This is a helper. It is not a surgeon. It is just one small tool for a larger wellness puzzle. If you stay the course, you might see that glow you want. If you treat it like a magic wand, it will just collect dust. Real skincare takes time. It takes patience. This device is just a passenger on that journey. If you can commit to the work, it might just earn its spot on your vanity. If you are looking for a shortcut, you will not find it here. Success with these tools is all about showing up even when you do not feel like it. That is the real secret to any beauty routine. It is about the habit. It is about the long game. If you are ready for that, it is a solid choice. If not, save your money.